Today we're going to be building Lego Star Wars set 75351, the Princess Leia Boushh helmet. This set comes with 670 pieces. The set retails in the US for $69.99. I actually picked this up on eBay for about $60 at a bid, so I was able to get a bit of a discount on it. This could be one of the last Star Wars helmets that Lego makes. Excited to build it, so let's get it open and put it together. So we finished Lego Star Wars set 75351. The Princess Leia Boushh helmet comes with 670 pieces and retails in the US for $69.99. As mentioned, I picked this up on eBay for $60, about $10 off. This was a really interesting helmet. I enjoyed building this. I think it really accurately depicts the helmet itself compared to the movie, and I love the colors that they've used and the detail that has been put into this helmet. Pretty much, everything from the top and the mouth, and then again over here on the side, and then over here on the back. I think just like all the other helmets, the build was very, very similar. You pretty much build the helmet itself, and then you put it on the base. There is a bit of repetition, on the helmet, kind of like similar to the others. So you have to build out this side, and then again on this side and the sides of each of this one. So there's at least 3 or 4 stages where you have to kind of build some repetition there. But the mouth is really interesting. There is no real functionality here. Obviously, it's a standalone helmet, but I think that it really does mix well with the other interesting helmets that they've made over the last few years. With only 600 something pieces, I do think this is a very interesting build. It was, pretty straightforward. I was able to kind of push through it after just a couple hours, but I really enjoyed it. Again, like I said, I really enjoy the colors and the way that it kind of came together. I like the detail that they've used and the way that the helmet really rounds around the edges here. There aren't many stickers on this set, just a few. And actually, as you'll see on the screen here, there was one missing sticker in the set that I had bought. I don't know why that is. I don't know if it was left out accidentally by Lego. It was a new set with all the bags and everything, but for some reason, one of the stickers was missing. The instruction manual here, there's a good picture on the front here of the helmet. And then just kind of on the first page here, it talks about the helmet. There's a message here, a little blurb here from the designer with some pictures from Return of the Jedi, where she was wearing the helmet, and then it talks about a little about the concept from movie to the Lego set there, and then it simply gets right into the build. As you saw, there are 6 building stages, and it's a pretty standard manual, and then it just moves into the back here. There's about 120 pages in the instruction manual. So I really did enjoy building this, and I think that for the price tag of $69.99, I think it's going to retire at the end of the year, and this is going to be probably one of the last helmets that Lego might make, so it's definitely going to be interesting to see how well it does in the post-retirement. But I do believe that this is, if you're into Lego helmets, this is one to definitely add to your collection. I think it mixes well with all the other ones that they've done recently, and I would recommend picking this up if you haven't already built it. So if you enjoyed this video, again, I would appreciate you clicking on like and subscribe, and I appreciate your support, and thanks for watching.